Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use different sport modes on your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's wake up our watch by simply pressing this digital crown. And let's press again to go in the main menu. Now find this yellow button of a running man and click it. And here you can choose different types of sport and just choose which suits you better, like walking, for example. Now when you want to start, just press go and it will measure your heart rate, pace, meters and time. When you are done, just simply press and hold this button. Or if you're, for example, stopped walking and just want to rest, you can pause and then resume. Now let's press and hold. And now tap end. Great. You can see the results here on the lock screen, or you can also see them right here in the main menu in this green icon. It will appear right here. Also, the third way, you can check it in Mi Fitness app. Just go there and on the main screen you will see your results. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.